The FEMEROL 6-in-1 welding machine offers versatile functionality, supporting a variety of welding and cutting tasks, which makes it suitable for both home DIY enthusiasts and industrial professionals. With its powerful cutting ability, this machine can achieve a clean cut of 10 mm and a maximum severance cut of 16 mm using non-hazardous compressed air. The SYNERGIC MIG feature allows for easy operation with digital control, automatically matching current and wire feeding speed, while also offering manual adjustments for experienced welders. The high-frequency start TIG feature enhances precision by reducing tungsten and material consumption, making it ideal for critical welding tasks with metals like low-carbon steel and stainless steel. Included in the package are essential tools and accessories such as a MIG torch, plasma cutting torch, TIG torch, air filter regulator, and more, providing everything needed for a comprehensive welding setup. Dual voltage compatibility of 110 volts and 220 volts ensures the machine's adaptability to various power sources, enhancing its usability across different environments.